Introducing the Warrior Samurai 8,000-pound 12-volt electric winch, a hard hitter in our premium next-generation Samurai range. With fast line speed, lower current draw, and a revolutionary external brake, this winch excels in load holding and lowering, eliminating heat buildup in the drum. Ideal for recovery and 4x4 applications, it features a series-wound double-sealed motor, a heavy-duty 4-pin waterproof contactor, and quiet, efficient full-steel planetary gearing. Included in the package is the Samurai Winch, a wireless remote control, a 12-foot remote handset, an isolation switch, heavy-duty battery leads, a removable heavy-duty hook, and stainless steel mounting hardware. Immerse yourself in the innovative design featuring an external brake, a 600-amp silver-tip contactor, and a silver copper motor equipped with copper brush holders. Enhanced with IP68 waterproof sealing and fortified by HRC 50 full steel gears, the Warrior Samurai 8,000-pound electric winch stands as the embodiment of reliability. The Warrior Samurai Winch comes with a limited lifetime warranty with a 3-year warranty on electrical components. Unleash the power of the Samurai 8,000-pound 12-volt electric winch, trusted by professionals, built for everyone.